Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Battle Glide. This powerful movement ability is a game changer, offering enhanced agility and speed across various terrains. Mastering Battle Glide can give you a significant edge in combat and exploration. We'll go through the straightforward steps to acquire it, ensuring you can integrate this dynamic mechanic into your gameplay quickly and efficiently. Get ready to elevate your movement. Before you can unlock Battle Glide, there are a few key prerequisites to meet. First, your character must have reached at least level 10. Next, you'll need to successfully complete the Initiation Trials questline, which introduces core movement concepts. Also, be sure to have 500 units of in-game currency ready for the activation fee. Finally, ensure your inventory has 2 open slots for the necessary items. Meeting these conditions sets you up for success. Once your prerequisites are met, your next step is to locate the Battle Glide trainer. Head directly to the central hub, specifically the training grounds area. Look for the non-player character known as Master Arian. He is usually found standing near the large, weathered training dummy, offering guidance to new recruits. Simply approach Master Arian and initiate a conversation to start your journey toward acquiring this incredible ability. He holds the key to your enhanced movement. With Master Arian, select the Learn Battle Glide option from his dialogue menu. Confirm the payment of 500 units of currency to proceed. Upon confirmation, you will immediately receive a glide module item in your inventory. Open your character's equipment screen and equip this module into an available utility slot. Once equipped, Battle Glide will be active, allowing you to experience enhanced movement and traverse the world with newfound speed and agility. Enjoy your new ability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.